Welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Sin, and this is Beauty with Sin. And in today's video, we are doing a beauty supply wig. I picked this up at my local beauty supply store. It's a Laude Co wig, easy manageability lace wig, human hair blend, HD 4-inch deep lace. It's the color I got was TR1B/J.Burg. This was pretty much like the last one in the beauty supply store. So the color that was actually on the mannequin was like a pinkish bottom, but that was the last one. This is the only color they had. And you guys know I'm not really a burgundy reddish girl, but I was like, I really wanted something kind of new. And I was going out for date night to the state fair. And I was like, you know what? Let me just grab this for right now. It's quick and easy. Now, Laude Co is very hit and miss in the beauty supply. Sometimes you'll get it and other times you don't. I'm going to be honest with you. If you're in your local beauty supply and you see Laude Co, do not buy it there. Take a picture of it and go online and search for it. The reason I tell you that is because on the websites that are selling these wigs, they are in the range of $30 to possibly $50. No more than that. But in my local beauty supply, where I live in a small town, it is like $60, sometimes $70 with the wigs from this company. This one, luckily, was like $40-something. So I was happy to have it. So look at the lace, really cute lace. The lace was very like tinted a little bit, right? It was not bright like the normal lace look, and it doesn't match your skin. This one actually had a little tint to it, so I was happy about that. I'm showing you the specs. It has 2 combs, one at the back, and the elastic strap does not have an elastic band, so if you want to, you'll have to put that in yourself. But what I did was I actually used the combs to secure the top, and I did not glue this down. Lately, I have not been gluing down my wigs because, baby, it is over 100 degrees here in Tennessee, and ain't nobody got time for no glue coming down. So here you go. Now, my face is a little beat. I put some lashes on. She is gorgeous. Do you hear me? Like, when I looked at her, I was like, okay, Miss Thing, you cute. I'm going to try to find you online. And I did. I actually went online and looked for her. Her name is Andrea. And I went online and I found her. Unfortunately, the color that I found, it wasn't what I wanted from on the stock card. And I'll put a picture up for the stock card so you guys could see what she was looking like on the stock card. You know, I have to give you a little swirl. Don't mind that little something there. That was my lace. My lace showing off of my stocking cap. But I just wanted to come and kind of show you that because I eventually adjusted that part there in the video. So look at that. Look, it's like, it's not really pre-plucked. I wouldn't say it's pre-plucked. I just think that lately the synthetic wig companies are actually learning how to do the lace better than what they used to do 20 years ago when I was wearing wigs straight out the beauty supply and they had all this fancy stuff. Now look at that beautiful color. It is a pretty wig. She doesn't tangle, but I suggest getting a paddle brush and once in a while just giving her a little tug. You don't need to disturb her curls here because my stocking cap was very light. What I ended up doing was just taking my L'Oreal Infallible powder and just rubbing it on my lace, my stocking cap for a bit because I was like, yeah, let me just give it a little blend so that it could think. I really think that this one is a keeper. Now, when I go back online and I look up Laude Co, I found them on Wig Types as well because, I buy my wigs from there. At first, I was going to use the lace spray and I didn't end up using it. I don't think I ended up using it, but this is what I usually use. I got this from Walmart for like $6, okay? And it's a big bottle and it lasts. So, yeah. So here I'm trying her back on. And, after I've put on the powder on the stocking cap, I did put a little bit of the powder on the lace, but look at that. See how that blends and looks so much better? And when I tell you the lace, just cut the lace so close to the hairline, and that way you won't need to like glue anything down. You could wear this as a glueless. So there, I'm just showing you my little bag that I have all my little clips and accessories into the wig. And then now I'm getting ready to actually adjust the wig a little bit so I can start cutting that lace off. But look how nice she is. Tell me y'all don't like her. You know, I'm not a red girl. I'm not a burgundy girl anymore, but I definitely like this one. So I hope that you guys enjoy this one. And if you decide to pick it up, just drop me a note in there. Oh, and by the way, thank you so much for getting me to 62 subscribers. So to all the 62 people that watch me, thank you a whole bunch. I really appreciate it. Welcome to the channel, and I will see you and catch you in the next one. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye, guys.
Yeah. Come on, baby.